Hi Luxe users, it's Ryan Riley from Life Kitchen. We're here at Blackfriars for a behind the scenes look at what a cookery class from Life Kitchen looks like. Come along and see the behind the scenes. I'm 25 now, I've lost 10 to 15 if we count people I know as well. And it's always been a big part of my life and part of my family and my friends' life. So I mean, Life Kitchen really has a big personal meaning to me, but also I deal with people every single day with cancer, and I just really wanted to do something to really give back.
Yes, it's been absolutely fabulous. I've never tasted so many different tastes in all my life, and he's just such an inspiration, Ryan. I'm really, really pleased I've done this. I would recommend it to anybody, and I can't wait for the cookbook.
To do what he's doing is just fantastic. And I love the way he's kind of roped all his family as well. That's he's a warm, giving person.
He is, yeah. You just want to hug him.
I will do.
If you go to lifekitchen.co.uk, you can back our brand new cookery school campaign that's opening in Sunderland in May of this year and find out more about where our next classes will be. You can follow us at Life Kitchen on Twitter and at Life Kitchen Cookery on Instagram. Thanks so much for watching.